Hello everyone. Did you know that Google has just introduced a new integration between Google Analytics 4 and Google Business Profile? So previously, if you wanted to analyze your Google Business Profile performance, you had to log into the separate dashboard, which sits inside the Google Business Profile. So if I come to my account, I click on performance, I can then see an overview of my performance within a particular date range. I can see the calls, chat clicks, bookings, website clicks, etc. But with the new feature, with the new update, Google has brought everything into Google Analytics 4, providing you with a consolidated view of everything, all of your platforms basically. So to connect it, head over to the icon, admin section, click here, and on the right, search for Google Business Profile. So you'll find it over here. Click on it, click on the link button, and then choose your business profile listings. If you have more than one, obviously it will show over here. Just going to connect this, very simple. Click on next and submit. Now the link has been created, and I'm just going to click on the X and click on reports now, because you will find the Google Business Profile right over here with overview, right? So if you click on overview, you will see all the different metrics over here: profile interactions, profile calls, website clicks, directions, bookings over time, messages, etc. So as I've just connected it, it'll take some time for the data to populate. So this is a significant update for businesses, as it brings Google Business Profile data and website analytics closer together in a single reporting platform. If you don't see this Google Business Profile link option, don't worry, Google is gradually rolling this out, and at some point you will see this feature. So go ahead and check it out and connect it. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.